St. Charles, Missouri, Spitfire!
You've gone away from me, your face I long to see. Since you've been gone, it's not the same. There on the street I'm lonely, hearing only Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you'd gone. It fell softly from the clouds on the silent crowds as I wandered on. Out of doorways, black umbrellas came to pursue me. Faceless people as they passed were looking through me. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the skies, drinking in the rain. But your image was still there, floating on the air, brighter than a flame aflame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard the falling rain. I heard it whispering your name, and still I linger on, so lonely since you've gone. I'm longing for another rain. I hear your name each time it rains. All my dreams are over, now I'm wide awake, with a lonesome feeling 'cause of your mistake. Living with my memories just for old time's sake, crying my heart out for you. Well, I hope you'll be more tender in your next affair. Darling, trust you'll think of me, dear, when you've time to spare. Hoping you'll be happy is my only care. Crying out my heart for you. Your heart may ache you, friends may forsake you. Sometimes it happens that way. But I'm so for you, always adore you. I love you, I love you. What more can I say? I was just a scholar made for you to teach. I was searching for someone I couldn't reach. But now I'm just a pebble on a lonely beach, just crying my heart out for you. Crying inside, my heart's dying. Your heart may ache you, friends may forsake you. Sometimes it happens that way. Honey, I'm always for you. I just adore you. I love you, love you, love you. What more can I say? I was just a scholar made for you to teach, searching for someone I couldn't reach. But now I'm just a pebble on a lonely beach, crying out my heart for you. I'm here to tell you, crying